interesting fact is that this hit is based on the famous classical work Asturias, Legend, composed by Spanish composer Isaac Albéniz. It is a famous guitar piece, but it was originally written for the piano. It was written 150 years ago in the style of pure Andalusian flamenco. The Asturias has become one of the most important works for the classical guitar repertoire. I think everyone knows this melody. But only a few people know that In the Middle of the Night is not the first modern hit that used this piece. For example, in 1968, the very famous band The Doors uses the melody of Asturias in their song Spanish Caravan from the album Waiting for the Sun. Here it is. And also Iron Maiden took the Asturia in their song twice. For example, in their song Mother Russia, and other song is To Tame a Lamb. And also children of Bodom attribute their Angels Don't Kill song to Asturias. And of course, the last hit is The Middle of the Night. This song uses E minor like the original guitar version. And almost throughout the whole song, except for the chorus, only the first 4 bars of the Asturias are used. We will learn these 4 bars. I did my own arrangement for guitar, and I play the first note as a flageolet, like that. Instead of that. So you need to hold it. This is very uncomfortable. This is very comfortable. So let's move on to the next video and we'll learn this song together.